Hello everybody, I had to make a video because I had a meal tonight that I've had before on the show. So it was a Mexican raw vegan meal. It was absolutely amazing. But I have a new dessert. Now, years ago I used to go to this raw vegan restaurant in California called The Lock. And they had a pistachio bread that was amazing. I love pistachios and I love coconuts and I love sweet things. Well, Chef Laura made this dessert, and I've seen it before online, but I've never tasted it before. Raw Chef had it on his website. It's called a pistachio 5-spice yum thing, yum macaroon or something. And absolutely amazing. Now, how long did you leave it in a dehydrator for?
About 6 hours.
6 hours in a dehydrator. They say if you leave it longer in a dehydrator, it'll be a little bit more chewy. But I mean, I've been eating a raw vegan diet for many, many years, and I've had many different snacks and desserts and tasting things. And wow, just when you think you've tasted the best and you've tasted everything, this is absolutely amazing. And you can go to rawchef.com and check it out there. But also, if you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, I'll put the recipe below the video. But wow, so it's pistachios, and you could use, I don't use agave nectar, so I think we used honey, but you could also use maple syrup, I think it calls for. And it's absolutely, it's like, it literally tastes like macaroons. And I'm Jewish, and growing up I used to love macaroons. Open up a can of macaroons. It literally tastes like macaroons, but pistachio flavored macaroons. And wow, wow. You outdid yourself. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And wow. All right, this dessert was so good. I had to share some with my neighbor, and let's get his opinion so nobody thinks I'm biased here. Remember macaroons when you were younger?
Oh yeah.
Coconut macaroons?
Right.
You like pistachios?
Love them. Who wouldn't?
All right, so that's a raw vegan dessert. Try that. Tell us what you think.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
It's just crazy how good it is, right?
It's excellent. Did you make this?
No, Chef Laura made it.
Okay. Got figured.
It tastes exactly like coconut macaroons with a little pistachio flavor.
It's excellent. Really is. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
All right. So, it's just another great example of how amazing the raw vegan diet is and can be. So, definitely go to rawlifehealthshow.com. If you're not already a member, there's a lot of recipes on there. And this, you're gonna be hearing more about this in the future. If you have comments or questions, or you've tasted this before or something like this, post it below. And let's get a recipe exchange going. All right, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.